Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we're going to be building two LEGO sets. These LEGO City 6041 Fire Rescue Helicopter and the LEGO City 60312 Police Car. So let's get started. Okay, so the reason why I'm building these two small LEGO sets because, well, first of all, they're small. And I know I've built small LEGO sets before, and I did them, separately, like, a couple years ago when I built the 789-1 airport fire truck and the 7890 ambulance. I did those separately. But I decided with these two, I'm just going to go ahead and just build them together because it would probably just be better. These are very small sets. Like, they don't have any numbered bags. So, I mean, at least this one doesn't. The helicopters, that's where we're starting off. But, yeah. Anyways, let's just get started. So, first we're going to make a minifigure. Actually, I wasn't originally intending on getting this helicopter set, but it actually goes with, this fire station. It is it's the last missing vehicle, so, yeah. This means it doesn't look too big on him. I don't know. Whatever. He does come with a hairpiece. Oh, yeah, right. Get these binoculars on him. Those are in light bluish gray, so that's new. And he does have a hairpiece, but I'm just gonna keep that because he's there for civilians or whatever. God dang it. Lost a piece. Whatever. Anyways, so I'm gonna take this. So I'm making the fire. So I'm gonna take this 2x2 inverted boat tile or dish piece, whatever, and transparent orange, and then 2 fire pieces. Let's see if it's in here. Do I have one of those pieces? If I do, then I'm just gonna take it out of my dark bluish gray pieces. Yes, I do. Thank God. Okay. Alrighty, so I don't have to go looking for it. Alright. Alrighty, so we're gonna start out with this 4x6 inverted wedge piece in dark bluish gray. We're gonna take this 2x8 plate in white. I'm gonna set it right here. Then we're gonna take another one of those inverted wedge pieces and put it on the other end. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna take a 4x4 plate in black. I'm gonna set it right here. Now I'm gonna flip it back over. I'm gonna take two 1x2 by 1x4 brackets. Light bluish gray. We'll put one there and one there. Then we're gonna take 4 1x2 plates in neon yellow. I'm gonna set them all there. And then we're gonna take 2 3x4 wedge plates in neon yellow. I'm gonna put one there and one there. Then we're going to take a 2x3 brick in blue. We're going to set it back here, like so. Then we're going to take here it is, a 1x2 modified tile with a handlebar. So I'm going to go right there. I think that's the 2x3 brick. And then we're going to take another one of these 3x4 wedge plates, this time in red. I'm going to set it on top of the previous one back here. Then we're gonna take two 1x4 plates in red, put one there, and one there as well. And we're gonna take another 3x4 wedge plate in. Oh, hold on. Sorry, I skipped a step. First, we're gonna need this 2x2 by 2/3 modified brick with the profile brick texture, horizontal. I'm gonna put it there. That's in tan, and then this wedge plate. Okay. Now, right up front here, we're gonna take two 1x2 modified plates with a clip. I'm gonna go right there. And then on these brackets, we're gonna take where's the other one? Here it is. Two of these stud shooter pieces in, I think, metallic black or something. I got these on my two plates on here, and we're gonna set them there and there, just right on the side of the brackets. And then on those, we're gonna take two 1x3 curved slope bricks in dark bluish gray. And then we're gonna take two 1x2 slopes with the grill, and a 1x2 cheese slope with the speedometer print in light bluish gray. And we're gonna take two of these 2x3 cabinets in red. We're gonna put one there and one there, and then we're gonna take two dark bluish gray doors. I'm gonna set one there, and then flip it around, and put one there. Now we're gonna flip it around to the back, and we're gonna take 1x2 brick in red, and put it right there. And then a 2x2 45-degree inverted slope brick in red, right next to it. Then we're gonna take two 1x2 bricks with two studs on one side in white, and there, and then another 2x2 45-degree inverted slope brick in red. And then on the side of these bricks with studs, two 2x2 double curved slope bricks in blue. Must be the water tank. And then two 1x3 plates in black here and here. And then we're going to take six 1x1 double curved slope pieces in black. We're going to set three on each 1x3 plates. I'm going to make sure they're all lined up. At least mostly. Now I'm going to work on the back section, so I'm going to set that aside. And then we're going to take a 2x16 plate in dark bluish gray. Then up here, we're going to take a 2x3 plate in black. Put it right there. Then two 1x2 plates with a horizontal clip on this side in light bluish gray. Yeah, that was right. And then we're going to take a 2x4 modified plate with a Technic pin on top, right there, in dark bluish gray. Then we're going to take 1x2 tile in red, and a 2x4 curved slope brick in red as well. Then we're going to take this Technic piece with a Technic pin in the middle, and then Technic axle holes on each end. It's going to go right there, snap into place. And then we're going to take a 2x2 wedge plate with 3 studs on one corner. That's going to go right there. That's in black. And then a 1x2 modified plate with a axle bearing on one side in black as well. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 transparent blue plate. It's going to go right there. And then 1x2 cheese slip with this 04 print. And then we're going to take this 2x3 modified tile with this wing or whatever. It's going to go right there. And I'm going to take this small propeller piece. And that's going to go right. Oops. There. Okay. This spun very nicely. Now I'm going to attach the sole assembly back onto the helicopter. Or not back, but whatever. Just put it on the helicopter in the middle right there. Now I'm going to take these 2 pieces. I don't know what they're called, but they're like bar pieces with studs on each end. They're like the lightsaber handle, but without all that texture, and I think they're longer too. I'm gonna take 2 of these in black, put them there and there on those clips. Then we're gonna take this windshield piece in transparent clear. I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna clip it onto the clips and fold it down like so. Then we're going to take two long Technic axles in red. I'm going to put these put these pieces on. I don't know. They're in dark bluish gray. And then we're going to put these 2 propeller pieces on. We're going to clip them in place right here. These are in black. And they will be put in here and here. What's crazy is that, if you remember my my helicopter that I made for my helicopter transport car earlier this year, I used this exact same design. I don't know if I copied it from this or if I think I just made it up, and then this set happens to have the exact same design. That's funny. But yeah, that's cool. And then we can load up 2 of these by 1 transparent blue round tiles in these shooters, and take this black helicopter base piece, and I'm going to set it right down here. On this 4x4 plate. And then I'm going to take these round tiles to put in this cabinet. I think they gave me too many cabinets, because this one, they didn't give me anything to put in it, so I don't know what could go in it. But yeah. There we go. Oops. Wasn't that supposed to happen? There we go. That looks pretty nice. Now let's load in. Oh, I guess I can put the binoculars in here. Okay, that's one thing I can do. Thank God that did not go behind my desk and onto the floor, like everything always does. This is such a weird helmet. I don't like it. It's too weird. I know there's no like levers or anything for this. It's just, yeah, this guy needs to be leaned back. That does not like to stay on. I want to switch this out. Okay, let's see. Is that better? Not totally, but it is. Perfect. And now, let's put out this fire. Oh, hold on. Let's try and... Right in my lap. Perfect. Alrighty, so there's the helicopter. Now, on to the police set. Alrighty. So now we're going to start with the police car. So, first we're going to make our minifigure. And, I'm going to get his hats. There's his hats. And there's just a baseball cap. And we do have a spotlight, tap piece, and my one transparent yellow round tile. My one transparent yellow stud. There we go. Now let's make the police car. So we're first going to take this base here in black. Then we're going to take two 1x4 plates in light bluish gray. We're going to set one there and there. And then two 1x4 plates in neon yellow. There and there. And on the inside, we're going to take a 1x2 modified tile with a handlebar in yellow. It's going to go right there. And a 1x2 modified tile in yellow with a steering wheel. It's going to go there. Now we're going to take two 2x4 plates, one in green, one in orange. Put the green one up here, and the orange one back here. Then behind the modified tile, we're going to take a 1x2 brick in dark tan. It's going to go right there. Then we're going to take a 2x3 brick in red. It's going to be put right there. Now we're going to take a 2x6 modified plate with two 45-degree inverted slopes on both ends. We're going to take a 1x4 panel and a 1x4 brick with the police prints in blue and the panels in white. We make two of these total. Another one right here. And we're going to put one on that side and one on this side. Then we're going to take two 1x6 plates in blue. Put one, come on, there, and one there. Then we're going to take two 2x2 mudguard bricks in blue, and on top of those, two 1x2 plates, also in blue. Then we're going to take two, I'm going to find them. We're going to take two 1x2 curved slopes in blue. Put one there, and one there. Then we're going to take two 1x1, one tiles in blue. One there, and two 1x2 drummer plates in blue, there, and there. Now in the back, we're going to take a 1x4 brick with four studs on one side in dark bluish gray, and below it, 1x4 plate in light bluish gray. There, and that's going to go right there. Now for the back, we're going to take a 2x6 modified plate with four studs on one end. We're going to take two 1x1 transparent red studs. And then we're going to take two 1x1 dark bluish gray hollow studs. They're right below the previous studs. Then we're going to take 2 1x1 cheese slopes in black. And a 1x2 grill in dark bluish gray. And that's going to go right back here. Oops. And then right here in the back, 2 2x3 plates. And then there's like 2 1x3 tiles in blue. One there and one there. And then 2 1x2 cheese slopes in white. There and there. Then I'm going to take 2 more 2x2 mudguard bricks in blue. And then 2 more 1x3 tiles in blue. There and there. Then we're going to take another 1x4 brick in dark bluish gray. We're going to put it right there. And then on top of that, 1x6 plate in blue. And then I'm going to take 2 1x3 plates in black. I'm going to put one there, put one there. And then on top of those, 2 1x2 grill pieces in white. Now for the front, we're going to take another 2x6 modified plate with 4 studs on top. And then we're going to take 2 1x1 cheese slopes in blue. Then we're going to take 2 1x1 hollow studs in white. And then 2 1x1 transparent blue round tiles. And then take 2 1x2 curved slopes, in white, and then a 1x2 grill in dark bluish gray, and also 2 1x1 modified tiles with a clip. Set them there and there like that, and then take one of these black push bar pieces and flip it on there like that. That's gonna go right here. Then we're gonna take a 2x2 curved slope in blue. It's gonna go right there. Lock that in on the top as well. And we're gonna take 2 1x2 transparent clear tiles. Put one there, like so. Okay. And then 2 more 1x3 tiles in blue. I didn't do 1x6s there, but whatever. Then we're going to take 2 more 1x2 curved slopes in white. We're going to put one there and one there. Then we'll take 2 3x4 by 1 1/3 windscreens or windshields in transparent light blue. And then for the roof, just lost. I think that was an extra piece, so I guess we're fine. Okay, I'm gonna take a 4x4 hood piece and a 1x4 transparent blue tile, and set that on top like so. And then for the wheels, I'm gonna take these thin tires and these silver rims. Make 4 of these total. And then we're gonna put them across like so. They have it with the spokes out. I don't really like that, so I'm not going to do that. looks better anyway. And then we're going to take this engine piece and we're going to put it right there. That's in dark bluish gray. And it is done. The police car. So now we can actually make another spotlight, because we have 2 more of the pieces, so we can have one here, and then he can have that as like a flashlight. So that's pretty cool. And then you can just stick this one back there. There's a little bit of storage space. So yeah. Get his legs down. This. Okay, that's good. So now we can. And there we go. Nice. Alright. Flashlight rattling around in there. So now I got a bunch of extra pieces to put away. The one that fell. It's right here. I'll have to find the other one that was from the helicopter later. So yeah. But yeah, there we go. There's our 2 sets built. And actually, what we can do with this helicopter is if we bring over our fire station with our 2 fire vehicles, we can put this right on top. The helipad's a little small, I think. But now if we take a look, it is now a complete fire station with all the vehicles. The truck that came with the set, the 4x4 fire rescue with the boat, which the boat trailer is right here, and now the fire rescue helicopter. Nice. So yeah. I'll take that helicopter down for right now. I'll put it back up later, but I gotta do the thumbnail, so yeah. Anyways, that is it for today's video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.